Here's a look at a compact yet versatile gimbal that is perfect for travel vloggers, content creators, or anyone that is looking to up their video production. Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Film Concepts. Now let's talk about the ZHIYUN Crane M2. I just recently discovered that the actual name is pronounced as ZHIYUN, but for the sake of this video, I'll be pronouncing it as ZHIYUN throughout, so bear with me. In this video, we'll be taking a look at its features, ease of use, performance, and whether or not it's the right gimbal for you. Let's get started. Inside the box, you get a bunch of accessories, a quick release plate, the USB Type-C charging cable, a phone clip mount, a leather strap, tripod stand, and a 1/4-inch screw for fastening a camera or phone to the gimbal, and then the gimbal itself. The phone clip has a 1/4-inch hole at the bottom for mounting your phone to the gimbal. First, you lock the quick release plate on the gimbal by pressing and holding the metal lock and then fastening in the phone clip. There's some key buttons and sliders to take note of though. On one side is the power slider and the meaning button. Then we have the joystick, the mode and record button and the screen, the USB Type-C charging ports, and a slider with an extra 1/4-inch mounting hole. And finally the trigger button. For those of you who may complain about losing the mounting screw, try inserting it into the 1/4-inch screw hole on the side. The ZHIYUN Crane M2 is a lightweight and compact gimbal that's designed to support a variety of cameras and smartphones. With support for a maximum weight capacity of up to 720 grams, you can confidently use this for some mirrorless cameras, compact cameras, and action cameras as well. It is as well compatible with smartphones, so you can easily switch between shooting with your camera and then your phone. Now I do say cameras and smartphones, but there is a catch, and that is it is not meant for every single camera. Unless of course you are using something like a point and shoot camera or an APS-C mirrorless camera like the Canon M series or the Sony a6000 series with a smaller lens. This gimbal will not be able to hold everything up. Balancing this for the first time is sort of annoying and frustrating to some extent. Fortunately for me, I have pre-knowledge with balancing the ZHIYUN Revo Lab and Revo S, so this wasn't so much of a hassle. And unlike the bigger gimbals, this Crane M2 doesn't come with much locking axis options. The gimbal is very easy to set up and use, and once you've balanced your camera or phone on the gimbal, you can start shooting right away. The Crane M2 also has a range of modes and features such as the ability to pan, tilt, and roll the camera, as well as follow and lock modes. These modes make it easier to get smooth and steady footage even when you are on the move. Another great feature of the Crane M2 is its battery life. It has an inbuilt rechargeable battery that can last up to 7 hours on a single charge, and that is impressive for a gimbal this size. The gimbal motors are powerful and responsive, and the control buttons are also well placed. Adopting a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control model, the Crane M2 allows you to control your camera wirelessly through the gimbal handle. Once paired via the ZHIYUN app, your camera and the gimbal will automatically pair again when turned on. The Crane M2 features a single unique locking pin and latch design to prevent the axis from swinging around when traveling. Here's the resulting video shooting on my smartphone using the ZHIYUN Crane M2. Kindly note that my phone doesn't come with any form of image stabilization, being it optical or electronically. And as you can clearly see, you can get some decent shots on just a smartphone and this gimbal. But if you're looking at a much steady shot, I would recommend using an ultra wide lens and a camera that comes with image stabilization to some extent. Here's another shot. This time around the gimbal turned all the way around and the rear camera on the smartphone is turned towards me. I also tried running with it a couple of times, and here's how a running shot also looks. Let me know how it looks in the comment section below. Finally, let's talk about the price. The The ZHIYUN Crane M2 is a mid-range gimbal which is priced reasonably well, in my opinion. I don't have the actual pricing for this because it is a bit older, but there are some discounts flying around on AliExpress, Amazon and eBay. I'll drop a link to a few interesting ones in the description below, so be sure to check them out. While this is not the cheapest small gimbal on the market, it is of great value for the performance and features you get with this. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels which I have them linked below. And as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theyo from FAVOURTIES, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.